More vaccines being given as Florida registers more cases. Health officials are concerned about how much COVID may have spread because of holiday gatherings and travel.
Other parts of the country and the world are cautionary tales of what could happen, but many people in Florida, and South Florida in particular, do not seem to be heeding the warnings. Here are the latest numbers of cases and deaths in Florida, and once again, Miami-Dade has the most of both.
And here's another set of numbers. The federal government said the plan was to vaccinate 20 million people before the end of the year. According to the CDC, only 2 million Americans have been vaccinated so far. For more, let's go live to CBS 4's Ty Russell. Ty.
Well, Jim and Carly, it has been nearly a week since Governor Ron DeSantis signed an executive order offering the vaccine to folks who are 65 and older. And since then, we have still not heard back from county health departments on exactly their plan of action and when all of this will start. However, today, the state is still moving forward with making sure frontline workers, along with long-term care facilities, are being taken care of.
This is what we've been waiting for months. This is one extra tool in our toolbox to help fight the pandemic, and we're happy to be one of the first facilities and the first group to receive vaccine.
The Miami Jewish Health Systems is now offering its seniors the first dose of the Moderna vaccine.
I don't want it for me alone. I want it for everybody, because everybody needs it.
The state is continuing to offer Pfizer and Moderna vaccines to frontline workers in long-term care facilities. Current data, not including today, show nearly 18,000 people in Miami-Dade have received the first dose. In Broward, more than 14,000 so far. Governor Ron DeSantis says seniors who are 65 and older are next in line. Currently, statewide, majority of the people who have gotten the vaccine have been younger.
Clearly outweighs the side effects. Most side effects resolve within 2 days or so and can be relieved with Tylenol. So vaccinating is clearly far more important than the risk of side effects.
For some of the most vulnerable, this first dose makes them worry a little less about being in the hospital and fighting the virus.
I was really anxious about getting it. I feel it's very important.
Positivity rates for new cases remain too high for doctors to relax. South Florida hospitals still have beds available, but they don't want them all being used. The UK is approaching its April record for its number of hospital patients. It has gotten to the point where some people can't immediately leave the ambulance.
They need to be available to go. And you feel terrible and a sense of helplessness when you can't offload an ambulance because your emergency department is full.
And of course, here in South Florida, we are hoping we do not get to that point. In the meantime, we know that Mount Sinai Medical Center is offering the vaccine to folks who are 75 and older through an appointment. We talked to a spokesperson today who told us there are roughly 260 slots open a day. However, they've been getting more than 800 calls from people a day who want an appointment. We are live in Miami. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News.